Hello guys, and welcome back to the 25th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn inheritance. Inheritance is the cornerstones of any programming language, that is OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. So what inheritance exactly is? Inheritance enables us to define a class that holds all the traits of other classes which fall into a same group. Okay, that sounds insanely confusing when I say that. So let's just do what I actually mean, and I'm sure you guys will follow along. Okay, so let's just define a new class, and name it as carrot. And let's define new class, third class, and let's name it as tomatoes. Now I have two different classes, carrot class and a tomato class. We know that both carrot and tomato are vegetables. Okay, yeah, you might say that tomatoes are actually a fruit, but don't get into sciences at the moment. What I mean that both may have several traits that are common. Like, let's consider tomato a vegetable, alright? So in tomato class I might have a method that might say public void healthy, and within that it states system.out.println this vegetable is healthy. Excuse me if I make some spelling mistakes, I'm not that awake at the moment. And then it'll have another public method, public void tasty, and this would state system.out.println this vegetable is tasty. Okay, and say it'll have a third method, that is public void color, which states that system.println tomatoes are red. Okay, so there are three methods in the class tomato, and let's say there are three methods in class carrot, out of which the upper two methods are just same. So I'm just gonna copy these two methods and paste it in the class carrot. Oops. I'm gonna copy it and paste it right here, and say the third method, that is public void color, would say system out.println carrots are red. Okay, So now you see that since the upper two methods of both the classes are same, I have to write them twice. So instead of writing them twice, what I can do is, these two classes fall in the same set, that is vegetables. What I can do is I can define a third class. Let that third class be vegetables. Okay, already exists. I'll just open it. That vegetables already exists. Okay. So what I will do is, instead of defining these two functions here, and then again these two methods, sorry, excuse me if I sometimes say functions, that they only mean method, because in Java functions are called methods. So these two methods here, and then again the same methods here. So instead of doing that, what I can do is I can delete these two methods from here, and okay, this remained, and the same two methods from here, and I can define those two methods just once in vegetable class. So right here we have got public void healthy and public void tasty, and I can use these two methods from this class as well as from this class. And in order to do that, I have to inherit the traits of vegetable class into tomatoes class and carrot class. And how do you inherit a class? That's done with the same syntax that is stated as, you write the name of the class in which you want to inherit something, then you write extends, and then you write the name of the class from which you want to inherit something. So I want to inherit two functions from vegetables, so I'd write vegetables, and then again in tomatoes I will write extends vegetables. So what this would do, this would prevent me from writing the same methods those happen to occur in these two classes again and again. I would just describe them once here and that'd be good to go. So you can see those two methods are not described in any of the classes out of these two, but yet I can use them. I'll show you how to use them. You just create the object. So let me first create the object of carrot class. Carrot, car, equals new carrot. Then I'll create object of tomatoes class. Tomatoes tom equals new tomatoes. So if I call the functions which are not defined in this class, those were healthy and tasty, but yet I can call those two functions with objects of carrot and tomatoes. See, char dot healthy and tom dot healthy, then char dot tasty and tom dot tasty. So even though I have not defined those functions in these classes, I've inherited those two functions from the vegetable class. So if I run this, I would get the output. Vegetable is healthy. This vegetable is healthy is for carrots. This vegetable is healthy is for tomatoes. Then this vegetable is tasty is for carrot, and then this vegetable is tasty is for tomatoes. This is how you inherit classes. There's a lot more than just this in inheritance, but this would be the basics. So we're going to cover inheritance and more complex topics of inheritance in our future tutorials. So I'll see you in those tutorials. If you have any questions, you can always comment. Do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, bye.